Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create an animated glow effect on your text in CapCut. So initially you're going to want to go to text, click on add text, click on default text, bring it to the beginning of the clip. Now we're going to elongate this text to fit the entirety of the clip, right? Now once we have done that, with the text selected, we're going to go up to the text tab and then type in whatever you want. So I want to type in game, change the font to pace. That's not pace, that's pace. Increase the font to fit the clip. And now we have that, right? So we're going to change the color as well. We're going to do it to, let's say, red. Now we're going to scroll down on the basic category, scroll down, define glow. We're going to click on glow. And now what we're going to do is look what it's already done. I mean, the glow is absolutely amazing. But we're going to animate it by bringing this to the beginning of the clip. And the intensity is going to start off with 0, the range, 0, Y offset. Ooh, that's so cool. Okay, the Y offset's going to be right here. The X offset's going to also be like this. And now what we're going to do is add keyframes to all of it, right? And by doing that, right over here, we click on this little sideways square. I'm sure there's a different word for it. We click on that. We have to click on all of them. Okay, so we click on all of these. And now we've added keyframes for all of these. And now what we're going to do is bring the player head over here like this. Actually, maybe I should bring it like that. That's going to be cool. And we're going to increase the intensity like this, like that. The offset, that's so cool. And the X offset, let's go. All right. By doing that, we already added the keyframes, and all we have to do is press play. So we've added animated keyframes from the beginning to this point right over here, and it's going to last throughout the whole entire video. So let's check it out. And there you have it. That's how you animate text with the glow effect. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and have a great day.